In this week's project, we're going to be making this.
We're sitting here, oh so silent, and you won't dare to speak your mind. I wanna cry, but keep on smiling, trying to be brave when I'm in the dark. I wanna cry, but keep on smiling. I'm so tired, darling. Oh, so don't say you're sorry, 'cause I don't care. We can mend the heartaches with your despair. Stop being a martyr, it will never heal you. So stop saying that you're sorry when you know I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore. Stop saying you're sorry. I don't say, so don't say you're sorry, 'cause I don't care anymore. Time goes by, yeah, you and I are running out, running out. Time goes by, I've changed my mind about you and I, you and I. So would you stay for a minute so I can be brave? Let me catch my breath. Now I can feel what I'm saying. I'm letting you know this heart's on That's why I wanna spend my life with you. I wanna grow old with you. 'Cause nobody loves you like I do. That I can promise you, promise you, oh promise you. Time goes by, oh precious time. Wait just 1 minute. Time goes by, I think I thought it out, it out. So would you stay for a minute so I can be brave? Let me catch my breath.
Okay everybody, that's us back. That's the top of it there. I just basically put that in, used a toothpick and ran the white through it. So we shall see what that looks like when it comes out. Here's the, so here it is all done. Hoping to get quite close in so you can see it, because there's quite a lot in there, but it's not very easy to see. So it's actually slightly squint because I think my pressure pot must be off a little bit, but basically what we should be doing after this is getting it on the lathe, and we'll be getting it down into a little box. This top part here will be the lid. I should be taking it off just at the line there for it. So that'll be part 2 of the video, because this part was quite long. I have no idea how it's going to look in the end. Obviously the wood in the centre will be out, so you should be able to clearly see through it, and I don't know if that is going to affect the look of it at all. It's totally experimental to see if I can make a feature inside these, and you know, we're only going to know that once I start to take it down. So yeah, that'll be in the second part, but I hope you enjoyed this part, and the next part will be the next week or the week after. It'll be within the next couple of weeks. As soon as I've got it turned, it will come up. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this one, and thank you very much for watching.